Yes, he is struggling. You can't see it or feel it because he doesn't want to make others know. He is striving to show others that he is happy and cheerful, but only he knows how broke he is from inside. His only mistake was trusting someone and gave the most important thing of his life, that is himself. Now he is struggling. He is struggling to breathe. He is in a quandary. In the past, he promised her that she will be the last person in his life, that he will love her till his last breath. Now she is no more with him, but his own words are. The words are slaughtering him from inside. He tried to catch a twig while floating in the water helplessly. But alas, he failed so badly and miserably. In the beginning, it was easy because he was angry. That intense feeling took over every other feelings. Then the night became long and lonely for him. He was fond of the night once. Now he is afraid because the night is hurting him the most. He tried to withstand all this in many ways. He is trying to act childish as it is making him feel less pain. But he can't keep the act longer. The most painful thing is he is surrounded by many people, but no one cares. No one literally cares. His own best friends also do not. One of them tried to help him, but it was in vain. Now he decided he won't date or approach any other girls. But the problem is how to survive this crisis. It was not a small time for him that he can forget. It was not a one night stand or a casual hookup for him. Once it was the most beautiful feeling for him, now it is the most horrific memory of him. He tried to be better. He tried to make his life better. But after some days, he realized it is of no use, as being better serves no purpose for his healing. So he tried some unorthodox ways, like he started some bad habits again, which he deeply hated for a long time, and he quitted for her. Now as she is no more with him, he started again. The most painful feeling is to imagine her in the arms of someone other. Still, he can't accept the present. He considered about doing suicide or killing himself to get rid of the pain. The pain is unbearable. He tried also, but he failed badly. As he felt there may be some chances they can be reunited. But all those things happen only in dreams, not in reality. The problem is he made her the center of his universe. He planned his whole life in respect of her. But now, as she is no more, all his plans become mockery in a moment. They are making his life impossible now. The main thing about memory is good memory lasts for a while, but bad ones are the true companions. The last, they last throughout the life. He spent a lot of time with her and made countless memories. Now those memories are coming back to him in the form of nightmares. He was called Kumbhakaran, a demon in Hindu mythology who sleeps for 6 months continuously, or Panda, as he spent nearly 8 or 9 hours a day sleeping. Nowadays, a good sleep is rare for him. After going to sleep, nightmares are haunting him. He is going insane, that's why. He can't differentiate the good and the bad now. Every night he is going to sleep at 2 a.m. and waking up at 3 a.m. screaming in sweats. The dreams are so realistic that it is like virtual reality. He can sense it is a dream and try his best to get out of it, but all his but all his but all his tries are in vain. He tried to talk with his best friends, the best persons of his life, but no one takes him seriously as they all are busy with their lives. Everyone reacted like everything is going to be fine. What about him? No one asked him how he is feeling. No one noticed his changes. No one noticed how insane he becomes these days. Every choice he is making now is purely based on emotions, not on logical basics. He tried to take the help of music to heal, but alas, the music is making him worse. The lyrics are cutting his damaged, broken, delicate heart like a knife cutting butter. He is good at writing now. He loves to explore his feelings through short stories. This is his only way of being in peace. Sometimes alcohol is helping him in his sleep, as it is making his brain excited and exhausted. He is feeling like flying while drinking. Those moments are very precious as they last for a little while, and in those moments, all the stress, all the tensions, all his problems are gone. But he also knows it's not a permanent solution, at least not economically for him. After trying to find help from others, he finally tried to find help within him. He tried to meditate. He tried to offer himself to God, but everything was useless as still he has a lot of desires. And you can't truly offer yourself to God while having desires. Now sometimes he is wondering what's the meaning of his life. Is it only to eat and live, or are there any other greater things to it? He just wants to ask her if it is one. If it is one. He just wants to ask her if it wasn't love, what was it? What was the place of him in her life? Was he just a go-to guy in her life? If she didn't want to struggle, then why she stayed with him? And countless other questions like it. He may be lost for now, but it isn't eternal. It isn't gonna stay forever. He also knows that, but the problem is, it is taking a lot more time and mental peace than he ever imagined. But for the moment, he has to trade his sanity for happiness and peace. He has to be insane for now to survive the crisis.